Hi.
Hi, how are you, Milan? How's everything?
Yeah, I'm good. And you?
Thank you very much. I'm good, brother. I'm good. Now, I thought I'd just get back to you. I really liked your ethic last time when I spoke to you, so I thought I'd just get back to you and obviously maybe give you the opportunity, obviously to work closely with you.
Yep.
Yeah. So first thing, obviously, I wanted to ask is I'm gonna send you a screenshot of our previous ad campaigns that we ran on the videos. I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions as you look through it. I want you to first review everything on that screenshot, and then I want you to
But
answer.
for the professionalisms,
Yeah.
if you wanna give me access, then I will audit everything. On the Zoom call or screen share, it's not preferable or it's not easy.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want me to give you the login now so we can look through it together?
Uh, yes, but my electricity is gone. That means electricity issue. Now I am on my phone.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna just briefly explain it to you. Um. At least by then we have an idea, just for the time being, because I do have to. Obviously, I've got a couple of things scheduled in for my day, so I can't really, hop on a bit later. So I'm gonna just go over it. Give me a second, please. Bear with based on your expertise. So basically, we ran two Instagram ads focused on profile visits and clicks. And overall, they performed quite well in the sense of one ad delivered around 1,900 profile clicks, and that was about 13 pence each profile visit. And our second one hit over 3,100 profile visits, and that was around 8 pence per visit. Okay. And in terms of the reach, each ad hits somewhere between around, I'd say, 20,000 to 47,000 people. And the impressions in the range of, let's say, 38,000 to 39,000, sorry, 90,000 views together, basically. And each campaign, I believe we spent around £250, between £250 to £300 each campaign. Um, yeah, and the thing is, we believe that they weren't performing poorly, but obviously, I feel like there's a lot more that can be improved in terms of targeting and finding a more clearer route to reducing the number of clicks and how much it costs per click. Yeah. So, what do you think, brother?
Using multiple ad creatives and create some custom audience to reduce the cost and get more reach, impressions, and lastly, the main goal is conversions.
Okay. And would you feel with the 250 300 budget, sorry, £300 budget, you can achieve that?
I can try, but I don't guarantee because it's dependent on many factors like product pricing, competitors, and so on.
Okay, so the thing is with this specific video and reel is for a restaurant. So you're not focusing on products. You're focusing on converting a reel into targeted ads and targeted locations. So it reaches the right audience. So it reaches the right target audience, younger age, older age, whatever it is. So you're not particularly looking at products. You're looking at more locational value, locational increase in sales and walk and footfall. So what do you think about that?
This is too specific. When we run ads locally, then it's normal. Uh, we don't get too much impressions, too much clicks because it's specific.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but so far I can guess we can try with multiple ad creative and using custom audience like who have engaged with the Instagram business page or they have liked the post, or who have just commented or engaged with any post.
Okay.
So we can target them because they have interest. That's
Okay.
why they have engaged.
Mhm, mhm. That makes sense. That makes sense. What was I going to ask you about that? I believe you mentioned last time is $10 per hour, correct?
Exactly. Per hour, I charge $10.
Okay, you charge $10. Okay, and based on your previous clients and experience, how many hours are you particularly looking at per campaign?
Particularly 2 3 hours, but they have just run their campaign. But
Yeah.
for the audit optimization, I think they are waiting for next hours. So they just hire me for campaign setup. But I would like to suggest you not only campaign setup but also audit and optimization because everyone know how to set up, but the main goal is to generate conversions and low cost per conversions or CPL shortly,
Okay.
cost per lead or cost per conversions.
Amazing.
Okay,
Amazing. Yeah. Okay. The
so I
reason I
would
say
like to definitely suggest you not just run campaign but also give me time for the analysis, audit, and optimizations.
so
I will
roughly.
give you the reports and suggest you how to optimize them. Uh, we will recreate a new audience, add creative, and also update the ad copy like content on the primary description, headline, and the slogan like product slogan or brand slogan
Okay.
that will be attract the people. Okay, I hope you get it.
Yeah. So you mentioned that. So are you talking about suggesting content ideas? Is that what you're saying?
Exactly.
Not creating them by suggesting ideas, correct?
Creative is different, but the content is the main because when people see the reels and also the content is like how we approach them.
Okay. So I'm going to show you one of the client videos. I'm just going to show you on my phone, just roughly for you to have an idea of what sort of video it is, just so we on the same page, okay? Because this would be the video that you're going to run a campaign on.
Okay.
Okay, would that give me 1 second, please? Sorry. Actually, it would be better.
Yeah, it's so early.
That's okay. I hope you don't mind.
Okay, no worries.
Yeah, because the reason I say is because I think because I've been looking for someone to manage my ads and my clients, do like optimization, give this directions and stuff like that. Because I have a designer, I have a videographer, photographer, everything like that. So now I'm just finding the main key component, which is the ads, the optimization, the content advice, the content audit and stuff like that. So what do you think about that?
Basically, there is three type of content strategy. First one is awareness.
Sorry, say that again, brother.
There is three type of content strategy.
Hmm.
Not the video. Video
Yeah.
will be must be give me the clients or single image.
Hmm.
But for the content, there is three type of contents. First one is awareness. Awareness content like just introduce our brand or product. There is no speaking in sales or this type of conversation in content. And secondly, awareness and then considerations. The second content strategy will be considerations like we will talk about our product, benefit, features. And
Hmm.
lastly, the main goal is conversions. So the content name is conversions or sales. Then there we can use this type of content like offer, buy one get one, or this type of like 20 or 30% discount in 3 days,
Mhm,
like limited or this type of urgency. We will create urgency. Then psychologically they are interested to purchase, or this type of content strategy will be used.
mhm, mhm. Okay, that makes sense, brother. That makes sense. And just asking you because I want to see how it works is, if I were to get you on a monthly basis, um, let's say you were my ads manager for Capital Studios, how much would you charge me? Yeah,
Basically
be,
for
be generous with me, yeah, because because I want to work with you, brother. You know.
it's okay, but generally I charge in a month up to 500 US dollars. I
Okay.
work with USA, Canada, and lots of clients.
Hmm, hmm.
For you, you can give me for a month 400 US dollars, not UK pound or something like that, US dollars.
Okay, let me just see. Give me a second. How much? That's fine. Leave it with me, inshallah, and then I'll contact you once I decide what needs to be done, hopefully, and then I'll contact you on Upwork.
Okay,
Okay, perfect, brother. Lovely speaking to you.
okay, bye for now.